Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the show. I'm sorry this was a bit of a late start, but I'm here. How's it going, everyone? What's happening? Never suffer. Hello. Have a nice week. You too as well. Pray Joy Mahajan. Hello, I'm trading just GC today. Oh yeah, it seems like it could be pushing higher. A little bit later, maybe. Just a second. Any ideas on whether Apex removed the halt on metals? They didn't yet, I think. Actually, I don't think they removed it yet. But I think they with the new accounts they might have removed it. Let me just check it in a second. All right. Actually, I need a bit of a time, but I'm gonna check it. I have to log out and log in. Oh, then that's on Quant Tower. Anyway, I will check it a little bit later, but I don't think that they have. I think with the new accounts you can, as far as I know. It's on Quant Tower. I have to log in. I don't know if they put it back or not. I'm waiting for the market to go a little bit higher, up to that 5-minute supply zone. That would be the plan. At least that's what I'm hoping for. Still waiting for the move. Just a second, I'll be with you guys. I can't log into... Why I can't log into my TradeAways? There's some reason why I can't log in. That's weird. I can't log in. Anyway. Bear Trader, hello there. Never suffer. How do I see the NASDAQ? Well, I'd love to see it go a little bit higher, but I understand that because it's a risk-off situation, everybody wants to, you know, sell. AVR Dream, hello there. Timothy, hello. It's like... What? Yes, make me shut up. Timothy is saying... Iran is looking for a new leader with $100,000 salary. Wow. That's interesting. Wow. Okay. Hold on. Why I can't log into TradeAway? Should be able to log in. All right. Anyway, let me check the Apex for you. All right. Yeah, you can't put a trade on gold. Still, gold is still restricted on Apex. So I'm sorry about that, but it still seems like it's restricted on Apex. Just saying. Yeah, maybe it was because I don't know. Anyway, but I just logged in as well, so it was a success finally. 500 contracts at 650. Wow. Okay. I'll be looking at something. Maybe I don't know if it wants to drop or not. Hopefully just a little. But as I said, I'm still kind of looking for this one to go higher. And also, I kind of want to see gold go a little bit higher here. So yeah, looking for bullish move here. How does crude oil look like? Okay, crude is still up there. Trading Star, hello again. Good morning, Charters Mo. What's up? Hey, welcome back. You guys want to go short? I don't know. It feels kind of weird. I know that the market is bearish, but I'm practically married to the idea that we should see 737 up there. That's, you know, that's what I want to see. I want to see some sort of a I want to see some sort of a move like this. If that's not gonna happen, well then, I don't know. There's a 5-minute fair value gap here. Maybe that would be a good start to wait for an inversion here. And that should be good. Request another 1200. Oh my gosh, Trading Star. Dude, that is so amazing. Bossifer, thank you so much for joining us. Welcome to the channel. $3,677 from the same account. Oh my gosh. Trading Star, that is amazing. That is amazing. I have a question for you. I guess you're mostly trading micros, right? So your average position size, if I have to guess, is it like somewhere around a few micros? Maybe? I don't know. Because it's an amazing result there. Yes, ES micro. How do you feel trading the ES? Is it more like least stressful, more comfortable? Gabor, hello, EBPVUZHX, welcome. Gabor the Hunt is back. How's it going? Everybody, I'm so glad that we have more viewers trickle in. How about let's push those likes a little bit higher. I'm going to check the numbers here. I'm going to check the numbers. We are at 24 likes. Let's go. We can push a little bit. We managed to get to 100 in the London session. Better than NQ. Wow. Maybe I should trade ES. I'll try today at 15 to 10K. I hope it will be okay. 100 Pro Plus. Let's go. Let's go, Michal. Let's go. I'm rooting for you. Contract wall was pure spoofing. Oh, they were spoofing it. Well, if they are spoofing it, then I don't know. I still want to see this 5-minute fair value gap being inverted. That would be my sign to go long. Respecting better the levels, right? That's so cool. Maybe I should trade ES a little bit more. Actually, Trading Star, you just put the bug in my ear. Actually, the bug in my ear was already there. I was thinking so many times that maybe I should shift my focus a little bit more on ES, because just like exactly because you said like the levels are being respected way better, and it's just least amount of stress with ES. So, you know, maybe I should do that. Maybe I should focus a little bit more on ES. I don't know. I'm already focusing on gold as well, but I'm gonna do some markups here. You inspired me, Trading Star. A lot. Great results. Okay, nothing there. Oh, I do like it. Okay, ES has some great levels up there. Okay, ES supply zone. I don't know. $68.40. I like that level. Hold on. It's not a supply zone. Damn it. Not a zone. It's not a zone. Maybe on a 2-minute? Yeah, maybe. It's a very, very weak level. Nothing here. Is there something on the left here that I could look for? Not much. Okay. The 68.40 level would be good, but we'll see. ES more cleaner. Stamped Ehims sees only sells. Yeah, seems like it could be falling off from the cliff. Notice with ES is that the entry timing is less forgiving if you have a poor entry. Yes, I think so too. I agree with that, Troop. I think you need to get like a possibly better entry or a better entry point for better risk reward ratio, right? Look at the Asia London low. There are so many equal highs. We will take these today, I think. Oh, we could. We could. Yeah, equal lows. Listen, also getting right. No, Michal, no YOLO short now. No, I'm sorry. I can't. I can't. I need to wait. I'm sorry. I was on ES. I'm kind of waiting on NQ to shift still a little bit higher. So I want to wait for inverting this 5-minute gap. That's what I'm waiting. If it goes lower, that's fine too, but I don't know. Waiting for it. I'm stressing, Warren. I am. The main thing is I have people like you I can talk to. Oh, that is amazing. Thank you so much, Trading Star. Guys, there's somebody at the door. I'll be right back. I'm expecting a package. I'll be right back. Smash the like. I'm here. Don't worry. I was just talking too much. The PM sessions, I mean, for me, the PM session, the early New York sessions for me are always super busy. I always get phone calls. I have people knocking at the door. I don't know. Everything's just at the same time. Good morning, Hedge Fudge. Hello there. The package was, I can tell you. Actually, that's a surprise. Oh, you must have got the I got the email that they have been credited. So let me just give you it's in your credit bank. I got the email on Friday. Actually, let me hold on, let me paste it to you. Just a second. Here's the link. Follow that, and the 50K credit is in your credit bank since Friday lunch hour or something like that. But it has been credited. I got the email from them. Take a look at the link, and this is how you can add your 50K account. When you just have to create a new account, and when you select the payment, you scroll down and you will see the credit. You have one 50K credit. You just have to select the 50K test account. You scroll at the payment and you will see the credit. How do you think of the breakout on the 15-minute goal? 15-minute breakout. I don't know. Hey, no problem. You are welcome, Ree. So, breakout, well, I don't know. It could be good, 15-minute breakout. Like, we should be breaking that 54.14. But I'm not trading for breakouts. But one thing's for sure, I am looking for that 54.47. So that's what I'm looking for. So it should be going back there. Anyway, we are at 44 likes, everybody. Let's push it to 60. I know we can do 60. Let's go with 60. Satish, how you doing, man? Consolidation right now. Could be happening. As I said, I would be much more glad if we could see this pushing a little bit higher than 675. Until we are in this consolidation, I'm not really interested in this at all. Dun, 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 dun. Well, we can see some consolidation, that's for sure. For gold, I want to see bullish push, but who knows? Who knows? Macro time in 1 minute. Oh yeah, now we are in the macro time. Disciplined futures trader, hello there. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Whoa, look at this drop here. What a drop. One more time about TPT. We can get one more time about TPT. We can get free reset. Free reset? I don't understand. I don't think that there's a free reset. I mean, yes, if you pay the monthly fee, then obviously if you're in drawdown on the rebuild, that is going to get reset, right? So it's in the price. I think that's what you mean. Leaking blob trading so far, it's slow, to be honest. It's a little bit slow. I was expecting some more profits. You missed your short? Oh no, Ron. 15-minute unicorn. Look at that. So as far as we can't get above that fair value gap, I just can't take a long position. There's no way I'm taking a long position until we're not getting higher than that. As soon as we can close higher than 675, then maybe. Oh shit, hello. Can we copy trade non-pro and pro accounts together? Yes. Yes, you can. Yeah. Of course. Watching ES, by the way, unicorn on ES. Oh, unicorn on ES. Okay. Content Hunter, hello. No free reset. Have to pay. That's what I'm saying. You're only going to get resetted. The account only gets reset when you pay the monthly bill and you're in drawdown. Then the account will gonna receive a reset, right? So you're gonna get rebuild. Obviously, like every prop firm, they're going to reset your account. But I'm not sure if you have to blow the account up, and with the subscription you're gonna get the reset automatically, or I don't know. But yes, in that terms, there is no free reset. So no free reset, only when you're getting a rebill and you're in drawdown. That's what I'm saying. Space Futures FX, hello there, habostorta. Oh, Camilla. Mondtam, hogy habostorta. Szia, Camilla, jó reggelt, rég láttalak. Mi újság, hogy vagy? Currently I have 5 pro accounts with DayTraders. Which one should I target next? Well, you know, if you have 5 pros, maybe Lucid is also good, you know, no monthly fees. It's been a while. It's all right. I hope you're okay. I hope you're doing good. See. Let's see, 100 is breaking lower. Oh, that's interesting. So we might not going to get that long position. That could be pulling down NQ as well. Maybe sweeping the 600. As much as I want to take a trade, I can jump in here. Dominic, we drove 4K from Lucid. Congratulations. Let's go. Dominic, good job, man. Okay, still dropping here. Picked up some liquidity in that gap, but how far can we go, right? Again, how far can we drop? I don't know. How far can we drop? Pre-market low in 65 minutes. Wow. The 449 levels. 449. Actually, I'm going to leave for 449. Yeah. Yeah, we had that in London session, so we might going to continue lower. All right. I got to look for something on the 1 minute then. Okay, this could be a level here on the 1 minute. So this could be a 1 minute demand zone lower as possible target, but it's a little bit far. It's not so perfect, but it does look good. If the market wants to sell off. Hey, don't worry about it, Ron. There's always the next opportunity. Don't worry about it. Trying to break London low. You think so? London low? Could that be the situation? Maybe, right? Well, besides the war, I don't think we have anything. ISM manufacturing PMI. I don't think that the market really wants to pay too much attention for this data today. So London VWAP, not okay, sorry. London VWAP. I thought that London low, sorry, my mistake. My mistake. Okay, swept this low. Where does it want to go now? Look at this push. Okay. We might be going back into that fair value gap. What do you guys think? Wow. Gold long. I'm trying to decide what I want to do here because I feel like if we are inverting this small gap, then we should be just still going higher. At BC, that's the discount. Oh, okay. NQ could be heading higher here. Who knows? Is this gonna drop? All right, I took a short. I took a short here. Only based on the indicator here. Just because I wanted to believe that we can see a drop here, a potential drop. That's not happening yet. I don't even have a TP on it right now. No. Scratch that. What is going on? Should have stayed with gold. Look at that. Damn it. Gold might gonna fly here. There's the London high. I think it just wants to push higher. Yeah, I'm using the New York session, but yeah, I'm using the New York midnight times, the New York daily, I mean the New York open and close. It's definitely a bit of a sideways action. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Next time, maybe. But as I said so far, if we're gonna keep being lower than this 5-minute gap, it's most likely gonna be a bearish scenario. Otherwise, I don't know. Pull back on gold. Look at this. Wow. Out of gold long. Let's go. Yeah, I'm out from the short here on NQ. It was a small position, but still, it hurts. It's just, it's hard to do anything. I feel like I'm just forcing myself to take a trade. I'm not gonna take a trade. That's it. I'm not taking a trade. I'm not gonna take any trade. That is it. I'm just gonna chill. That is it. No trades. I'm sorry, but no trades. This is just gonna be a chill session from now on. I still like the gold longs, by the way, because we have that zone up there, that supply area. I do like it. Even though that this here is just consolidating, I'm still kind of liking it. NQ can finally trade higher than this 5-minute gap, which is still holding. Is it gonna drop? I wonder if it will. Nice rejection here, by the way, again, on this 5-minute gap. We could see a possible drop. I don't know. Vadimas, yes, I'm from Hungary. Yeah. Markets are red reverse. Maybe. Hard to tell, that's for sure. It's definitely hard to tell. What would you suggest in Hungary? I have been in Budapest a lot of time. Well, you definitely gotta go to the countryside. It's not just about Budapest, you know. You gotta visit some other places. So it would be a little bit long to say like all the places here, but you definitely visit the Lake Balaton, you know, and not just that, but like, you know, visit some nice places here. There are some great cities. Gold bet testing 5,400. Well, NQ is kind of waiting here, not doing anything. Good morning, Moses. Hello. South Africa, hello. Day, what's up? Absolutely. Thank you so much for saying that. Yeah, I'm happy to be here every day because everybody is awesome. The community is awesome. I wish the market would be always awesome, but it's just hard to find a proper target. But this is how it is. Look at the rejection here. Wow. Interesting. Now we have a new 15-minute candle, a new 5-minute candle. Couldn't really get above those levels up there at the 63s. We still have the gap. Gábor, igen, a kódot fent. TOMSABO. az a kódom. Ugyanaz mindenhol, TOMSABO. Ugyanaz. Azt nem tudom, hogy kicsi vagy nagy betű, de ugyanaz. Köszönöm szépen, hogyha használod, de ugyanaz mindenhol. Oh, I'm out of tea. I need to get tea. How's gold doing? Gold is going a little bit lower. I speak Hungarian, I speak English, a little bit of German. Ich spreche Deutsch nur ein bisschen. Oh, direct accountot, wow. Az szép. Instant funding. Nagyon szépen köszönöm, ha supportot használod. So, ich spreche Deutsch nur ein bisschen. And I speak a few words in Croatian because I have some Croatian friends. And vulgar. And vulgar. Yeah. I want to speak a little bit more in German, by the way. I really want to learn a little bit more. I feel like here in Europe it could be useful because I like to travel around Europe, especially in Germany too, Austria. You know, it could be useful to learn a little bit more German. But yeah. So I'm wondering what is going on with NQ. So far, it seems like it's getting weaker and weaker. It's dropping down, maybe. Who knows? Feels like this 5-minute gap is like somehow being like protected or something. I don't even know. But like it's really rejecting the price at this moment. Just couldn't go through those 60s. Maybe there's some news or somebody. Yeah, there's somebody speaking, right? You guys said it. There's a speaker right now. Austria is beautiful. Yeah, it is. Cheese balls. Hello there. Yeah, in Europe, if you're traveling around, German is popular, English is popular. Hey, thank you so much, Cheesy Balls. Let's go. Yeah, Apex is 90% off, everyone. I'm actually just curious how this momentum is going to go here. Oh, about Iran. Okay. He's talking about Iran. Okay. Barito, good morning. Apex has the new plans. Quite interesting, to be honest. I think it's an upgrade for Apex, to be honest. I think it's definitely an upgrade. So, you know. It's a good thing. And they are saying that there's going to be no more denials. Once you finish up, you know, you're going to get the so you're going to get your account, you're going to get your payout, sorry. There's going to be no more denials or anything like that. You're just going to get paid out. And then no more like video recording and stuff like that. They're going to simplify it. I hope it's true. And because that would be a real game changer. That would be a real game changer. Okay, so we went through this level. Yes, Funded Futures network is legit. And let me just check if they have the buy one, get one for free. I think they have it. Announcements. I have to check it. Sorry, guys. No. Official futures, testimonials, report, payout, promotions. Let me check it. Okay, maybe. Okay, I think I'm sorry. It's my mistake. I have to update Streamlabs because the buy one get one for free promo might not be working at the moment, but I think they will bring it back. You're trading MyFundedFutures. I'm trading them too. They have it running. Okay, so the buy one get one for free promo is still running because I was looking for an update about that and I wasn't sure if they extended it. I think they did, right? I don't know, but I think they're running it anyway. Reliable prop firm, no issue with them, you know, flying under the radar, paying out people, no drama, no nothing, so they're good. Ó, köszönöm szépen, Gábor, szuper. Nagy betűvel. Nem tudtam, hogy kicsi vagy nagy. Hey, Loving Nature Guy, what's up? Nagyon köszönöm a supportot, Gábor, köszönöm szépen. May I ask, the fivers? The fivers are good. They're in business since like, I don't know, like 8 or 10 years ago. Lots of payouts, lots of traders. Oh my gosh, look at that. 737. I might want to take it, guys. I want to jump in so bad. Look at that. Oh my god. Do I want to chase it? Okay. Jumped in with a very small position. I had to. And I will add to the position a little bit more. So I'm waiting for a drop, most likely on the 1 minute. After this candle is closing, and I'm going to add to it a little bit more. Not too much. You know, just a little bit. I'm looking for a little bit more of a drop here. Come on, drop it a little bit more. I want more. All right, I'm going to put the limit buy order at 704. Actually, 03.50. 2 more micros I'm buying. If it goes lower. If not, then it is what it is. Actually, the low of this candle is 0475. I'm going to leave it here. I'm buying at 0350 if it drops down there. And that would be it. I know it's not safe. I know. All right. I'm tagged in. 4 micros. Completely okay. Final target would be 37.25 should do it. It is going to be a negative risk reward trade, but I'm okay. I was waiting for this push. Actually, my stop is a little bit okay, 74 is good. My stop is okay. I have no problem with my stop. Thank you, Split Striker. Thank you, thank you. I really want to see the zone being tagged. Activation fee is $148 on the 50K account, but it's 200 something on the 100K account. So do not go higher than 50K on Bulenox. That's what I usually say. So that would be, so just don't go higher. I think I'm going to bring my TP down to 37. Okay. Just 1 tick lower, just to make sure. GC having through swings. It is. Let's see. What's happening on gold? Oh yeah, I have a gold trade too. I don't know why. I still have a gold trade on. Here's my gold trade. I don't even know when I put this on. Anyway, I'm hoping for the zone. So let's get the zone, everybody. We need to get to the zone. Let's go. Finally. And yeah, there's my gold trade. I'm actually not liking this gold trade. I'm putting it to break even. The reason why I'm putting it to break even is because I just made profit on this. It's the same account. So, okay, we hit the 5-minute supply zone. So what just happened here? I admit I made a mistake here by going short, but that was a very small, like $50 of loss. But this was a nice one. This was the original plan, to close above the 5-minute fair value gap and to go to the supply zone. And it went there. And by the way, speaking about the activation fee at Bulenox, all I can tell you guys is Bulenox is also one of those prop firms that pay. Hold on a second. All right, I'm here. The market makers, they were on the phone. So we tagged the zone, which was great. Ended up break even on gold. Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, I ended up break even on gold. Okay, no problem. This trade was good. This trade was okay. What's happening? I mean, yeah, I think the activation fee is actually good. Actually, I need to check if there's a better sale going on. At Bulenox, they are still at 75% off, but both for option 1 and option 2 accounts, so that's good. I'm not paid to say this. Lucid approved and paid me in 30 seconds. Oh my gosh. 30 seconds. Congratulations, Gabor. Wow. Lucid paid you in 30 seconds. That's great. You saw the package, all right? All right, Trading Star. Wow. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna cut it here because I'm not gonna take more trades. The gold trade ended up break even. This was a really good one. The zone got tagged perfectly. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly, and tomorrow I'll be back for London and New York as always. So so thank you again. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there in the banner for all these prop firms, including MyFundedFutures as well, to get the best available deals. If there's no discount, you can still type in the code that supports the channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all, and I'll be back tomorrow and in London, New York, and of course today, MyFunded TV. All right. God bless. Cheers, everybody.